Hi, today I'm going to show you a demo on how to run in sequence, running two separate simulator and emulator, Nexus 1 and iPhone 7 Plus. This one will be running on 11.2, and this is just an old Nexus 1 running the API 27 Google phone. So first I'll be executing in sequence using PawBot module, and then we'll look at the test results there. As you can see, it's running them in sequence. Let's take a look. Which one will launch first? Okay, so it has launched the Android phone first, and it'll run the same test on the iOS device in sequence right immediately after this one is complete. Okay, so it's just going to my GitHub, and I'll click on followers, and now it'll run the iOS version of this test. Okay, great. So everything has succeeded fine. And as you can see, everything is passed here in the terminal. And also it has generated a report that is right, let's see where that report is. Basic results. Okay, so that is going to be right here. So this is the report. You can open it in Safari. And inside Safari, it'll list all the different tests here. It'll have the iOS ones, and then it'll have the tests that were done in Android running Chrome. You can search by Android suite, or you can search by the Chrome, I'm sorry, the Safari browser suite using iOS. And then also it comes with logs. So here's all the logs here. And I took a screenshot. Let's see this one. So I took this screenshot here. This one was running on the iOS, I believe the Chrome. This is the Chrome. And then this is the Safari one. And now I'm going to go back to my PyCharm and I'm going to run the same test, but this time I'm going to use something called PawBot. And this will allow me to run this test in parallel. So no longer will I be running in sequence. Now you will see this test running in parallel. So right here I'm using PawBot. I'm saying processes are two, so that's two things, either two devices or two browsers. It's going to be two for this. The output directory is results, and this is where my test location is, and I'm using a regular expression again, mobile asterisk.robot, so it'll run the two mobile tests that I have. So these are the two it's going to run, and then at this point I can just click enter. Let me just bring up my devices first and put them back to how they were. Okay, that one's back there, and the emulator's already back. Great. So now I'm just going to hit enter, and this should start running. Yes, it has started to run. So it's executing, and you'll notice that these start at the same time. Okay, there they go. So you'll notice the Android has not waited for the Safari iOS device to finish. It has already started. It looks like there was an issue, some hang up on the iOS device, and it stopped. It didn't type in the name here. Let me see why. Okay. All right, so one has failed, but that's fine. And then it'll click on followers over there on the Android. Okay, so we had one sweet fail, and then we had one pass. You can try this again, but the beauty of this is I can go over here to the results, and then I have the report output, and also it has generated as PawBot results and two separate folders containing both of those test suites that I can also take a look at individually. For now, I'm just going to open this, and I will go to Open Browser, Safari, and okay. Oh wait, this must be the wrong one. Hold on a second. It's saying that it's passed. The results report. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we know this one has failed. This is the Safari one. Let me open this one. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Why is it saying that? It should say that it has failed. Safari. Huh. So it's saying that it's passed, which is weird. Okay, maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Let's see here. Let me just grab this path just to be sure. Okay. Okay, let me put that in there. Okay, there we go. So here's the report that got generated. So it's 4 tests. 4 tests have failed, right? So the 4 tests on the Safari. So as you can see, the Chrome has passed, and you can see the green there, and the Safari here has failed. And you can go to the log to check that out and what has happened here. And it'll give you all the output and everything of where it's failed. And followed by, it should have a screenshot, I think. Ooh, this is big. Just because it didn't type in some text. Okay, fail. Okay, so here's the problem. It didn't find this, but even before that, it didn't type in the text. Okay, so that concludes this demo, and I will be doing others later. Thank you.